This video is sponsored by AppMaker. AppMaker is a WordPress plugin that converts WooCommerce website to mobile app. The mobile app builder helps you create native Android and iOS mobile application. Get an opportunity to grab 30% off by being the first 200 signups. Get the link in the description. Hello and hi, welcome back to Educate WordPress, where we talk everything and all about WordPress. I'm Aisha, and in this video we'll see how you can set up a multi-step checkout for your WooCommerce store. So for the checkout part, there are different options, like you need login, you need to set up your billing address, your shipping address, payments, and then proceed to place the order. So this is what a normal WordPress, a WooCommerce page look like, a cart look like. And when you proceed to checkout, here all of the things are made. Here you will see the billing details, you can see the shipping details, and then there's your order summary and the payment method will be given here. So this is one step checkout, but you might have seen different setup options where you take into different pages for the checkout. So we're going to set that up for our WooCommerce store. So before we get into the video, don't forget to subscribe, as we come up with videos on WordPress and WooCommerce every now and then to get your website performance up and up. So we are in the dashboard and we're going to go to the plugins and install a plugin. So I'm going to go to the plugin and search for multi-step checkout. So this plugin we're going to use has a multi-step checkout and also does very good job in doing it free. So we have this plugin right here by Silky Press. So I'm going to install this plugin. So this has already got 10,000 plus active installation. So it's pretty good. So once the plugin is installed, I'm going to activate this plugin and we're going to go right into the settings. So here we are in the settings page, and here you will be able to see a general setting, a design setting, and steps, text on the steps. So first let's set this here. So there is a shipping step. So the shipping address and billing address are different for obvious reasons. So if you are billing it for someone else, it can be given as a shipping address, and billing address should be your address. So if you want to do that, an additional checkout section, you can do this. So if a bulk amount of products are ordered by a company based, sometimes it can be built to a different location but shipped to different locations. So in such cases, it's important to keep two different addresses. Okay, so there's a shipping step, so I'm going to do that. Okay. Here for the login step, so there is a login step where if you are not logged in, you can uncheck and allow the customers to like existing customers to allow the check-in. For that, you need to go to the guest checkout, so you can disable that. So let's keep that. And if you want to show the billing and shipping steps together, you can also do that. And also the order summary and the payment option, if you want to do that in a single step, you can also do that again. Okay, so again there is a back to cart option. So in case you want to add go back to the cart, your customer needs to go back to the cart, you can enable that. And there are some other settings which is available for the pro version, like adding the product thumbnail over the order review. There's a registration form in case your customer is not a existing customer. There is a registration page that's given by the multi-step checkout plugin, so we can enable that by taking the pro version. And also clickable steps and keyboard navigation. So that's all there. So let's keep it like this, and let's go to our website and let's see how our checkout page looks like right now. So I'm going to click onto the checkout, and here you will be able to see there is a billing section, there is a shipping section, orders, and payments. So this is what it looks like. So this has different design and all. So I'm going to click on to next, so that here you're taken into the shipping option. Then if I click next again, the order summary is given right here. So this is the order that we're going to place, and then there is a payment setting. So this is the basic thing that you get for the in the free version. So we're going to make some other changes right here. So we're going to go to the design, and here there's the main color, so that here you will be able to see this blue line over here is what the design looks like. So you can change that by to different color. So whichever color you would like, you can change to that color. And there are some other templates for the material design and for the breadcrumbs. So when you go to the multi-step website, here you will be see there is clickable steps like this, and there are checkout options like this, which is available in case you are upgraded to pro version. So this is the registration page I was talking about. So this registration page is again in the pro version, and you can have different colors, customize, you can customize it totally and everything in the pro version. So again, these are the steps that's available only for the pro version. And here you can adjust the text if you want to do a different text for the skip login, previous, next, or anything. You can also do that. So that's it. I'm going to save the changes now. Going to go back to our website and log out of the account that we are logged in. So I have logged out from my website, and here you'll be able to see I've added this product to my cart. And here you'll be seeing this cart option, and I'm going to proceed to checkout. So here first there is a login page. Here you can see the color is changed, and if you log in or also you can skip the login if you have enabled the guest checkout. So I'm going to give skip login, and then there is a billing details again, and then shipping, order, and payment. So this is how you can add multi-step checkout for your website. So if you want to upgrade it to Pro, you will also get different other options that you can utilize to make your page or website even more graceful and beautiful. So I hope this video helped you, and if you like this video, give a big thumbs up, and we'll see you in another video. Bye.